My makeup for my shorts and for my TikTok. So if you guys, I got a little thing from ARITZIA. It was actually my first thing ever from Good morning, guys. It is our last day here. We're actually leaving our Airbnb. Checkout is like at 10 and it's 9:44, so my boyfriend's using the restroom. Then we're gonna head out. We're gonna go get some breakfast because we haven't had breakfast yet and I am really hungry. I did my makeup for my shorts and for my TikTok, so if you guys don't follow me over there, I'll have it come up on screen. And also yeah, just let me know if you like this makeup look and if you want a full like YouTube tutorial for it, because I would love to film that. I feel like that would be super fun. Don't mind my voice. It probably sounds super weird right now. I feel like I'm hearing something. Oh, I'm not, like my throat doesn't hurt or anything. So yeah, getting ready to go. And leave my phone, my camera stand out, so I hope I don't need it. I'm thinking about just taking it, honestly, in case I want to stand you up somewhere. So we left the breakfast place, we had our food and stuff. I didn't really record too much. It was just too busy. And I don't like putting a camera in people's faces, and you know, I want to be more compassionate for people's privacy. And right now we're driving to, what is it called? The town? Corryville. We're driving to Corryville. We have an appointment there, and yeah, it's very like land farmy on this side, so there's really not much to see, but I'll grab some little bits of footage for you guys. Hey, what's up you guys? We are currently in King of Prussia mall parking lot charging our electric vehicle before heading out to the airport. And we went inside and I got a little thing from ARITZIA. It was actually my first thing ever from ARITZIA. My boyfriend got something too. And I want to show you guys because I don't know if I'm going to take the cute little ARITZIA packaging. So let's unbox it. So, first things first, my beautiful boy got this hat. It's he really needed a ball cap, but this one is Babaton is the brand. I don't know if this is like an ARITZIA brand. I guess it is. But it's really cute. It's like shiny too. It's kind of like that sweat-proof material, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Looks nice. Water wicking material. And then I got a little something. Super little, but still perfect. It's a cute little ribbed tee. I think this is the ARITZIA brand, TNA, but honestly I've never gotten anything from ARITZIA before, so I don't remember. I've only ever browsed their website thousands of times. But yeah, cute little baby tee. They also had it in white and they had it in gray. I still have to try it on, but I know that it'll fit me really nicely. So I'll do that when I get back home. I'm excited to wear this. I got the black one because I have a white ribbed tee from Princess Polly, even though it's really old. But I'm going to try this one and see how much I like it. And then, because these are only 25 bucks, so I think they're pretty affordable. And they look really cute and simple. So yeah, that's what we got at ARITZIA. Totally not like planned or anything. We were just browsing the mall. We went to eat at Chick-fil-A and leave our car charging, which by the way, if you have an electric vehicle,
Well, I guess if you have an electric vehicle, you would know. But if you don't have an electric vehicle, look for Electrify Americas. Do not go to a charge point because charge points are so slow. Like our car barely charged. I think we got like 1 mile, right? We didn't really feel like walking around the mall anymore because my man is super tired. So we're just sitting in the car doing a little bit of browsing on the TikTok. Yeah. Then we're gonna head to the Philadelphia airport, which is about like 36 minutes away. So that's what we're up to.